Let's be honest, no one wants to read another flat, boring PDF. Whether you're sending a product catalog to a client, an ebook to your audience, or study materials to students, static files just get ignored. But what if you could turn that exact same document into a fully interactive digital flipbook in under 60 seconds? Today, we're looking at FlipHTML5, a tool that breathes life into your old files. It builds books from scratch using AI and gives you full analytics to see who's actually reading them. Let's dive in. With FlipHTML5, you can instantly transform PDFs, Word docs, PowerPoint slides, and images into interactive flipbooks. It supports batch uploading, so you can convert multiple files simultaneously to save time. There's also zero redesign required because the software retains your original layout while upgrading the format with realistic page flipping effects. If we go to the Explore page, this is where we can see millions of digital publications worldwide. The variety here is crazy. It just goes to show that lots of people are using this. Now, if we go to templates, you don't have to use an existing file. You can access a massive library of pre-made editable layouts tailored for catalogs, handbooks, and portfolios. The platform features quick customization options, allowing you to match your company's colors, fonts, and logos without needing design experience. If we look at the pricing here, it is incredibly low price compared to some other platforms, and you're actually going to get people viewing your content rather than just using a PDF. So how do we get this going? Well, very simple. What we can do is choose a create option and then pick a file to upload. Let's go with our business proposal. It's then going to convert that automatically. And now we have this in more of a book format. We can view that in full screen, and it's way more interactive than just handing someone a PDF. If we go to the customize section, this is where we can drag and drop elements directly onto pages in our document. We can also change the theme and design of our documents too. Here we have a bunch of different presets. So if we click this one, it's going to change our PDF to that exact preset, and you can see the background changes. Now, if we go to effects, we can also add many different things such as snow, or depending on the demographic we're appealing to, we might want space travel here too. So now we have the space travel in the background along with our green background. If we click gorgeous, we can see that the background changes again. Now when it comes to branding, this is where we can add our logo or any kind of branding to this document. So we can press the add logo button at the top, upload our logo, and then it's going to be added to the top left of the interaction section. Now, if we wanted to share this on socials, we can do so very easily. We can also boost the SEO of the document too. If we press share, we can get the link, copy that, and then give that to anyone so they can view it. So if we paste this into our browser, now we have that fully interactive PDF in a tab on our Chrome. We can also add banners. We can also change the template if we want here. We can change the settings, and we can even embed it on a website. If we want to just download the file, we can download it in a bunch of different types. And if we go to add banners, this is where we can add images for our ads. There's also Google AdSense and digital sales pages as well that we can set up. If we go to the statistics section, this is where we can see all of the analytics for our flipbook. We can look at the duration, the audience type, as well as the different demographics. And if we go back to book info, we can see our finished product. Let's try and upload a PowerPoint file. So here we can see our business growth strategy presentation. It's going to automatically convert that. And then we have our entire presentation in a book format. So here we can see all of the different pages and all of it converted via AI. Next, we can apply different themes. So let's try a facile theme for this one. And we can see that theme is automatically changed. Going back to the dashboard, this is where we can look at different templates. So here we can see there are tons of different templates that we can pick from when using this platform. We can change the category. So we could go with brochure, flipbook, guidebook, and many more. Let's try a newsletter. And here we can see everything is laid out for us. We would simply just pick a template and edit it. Here we can see a demo of the template. We can flip through the pages. We can see that it's actually animated as well. And we can also change the color scheme as well if we want. But let's go ahead and start editing this. So here we can change any of the copy. We can replace the image if we'd like to. So let's say we want to pick a new image. We can go to the image section. We can choose a different image here, and we can also add our logo as well here. If we're looking for a specific image, we can search an image very easily in the search bar, and it's going to come up with YouTube as we searched YouTube here. So we can replace that with that image, and now our front page looks slightly different. If we want to change the copy here too, what we can do, just like any document here, is just double click that, and then we can type what we want. So we've got product review videos, and now it's really starting to shape up. Now, using the timeline section at the bottom, we can adjust different animations and what's displayed. We can also select different slideshows here too, so there are a bunch to choose from, or we can actually search them there if we want. So we click that one, and then it's going to change everything for us. On the right-hand side, this is where we can edit a little bit more finely. So we can add images from our library, and then after a bit of tinkering, we can see our entire timeline is starting to take shape. We can go through and we can essentially edit any part of our slideshow. We can edit the animations, the copy, the images with ease. So imagine you run a digital business or digital agency. Instead of emailing a client a massive heavy 50 MB PDF that will essentially take forever to download and looks terrible on a phone, you can send them a single clean link and the client will open it on their phone device, flip through it smoothly, and watch a video of your services embedded right on the page there. After that, they can click a button to purchase, and you can even open your dashboard to see exactly how many minutes they spent reviewing your proposal. It completely changes how you present your work. Now, there's also the AI ebook generator. So if we type in future of AI here, what it's going to do is actually start outlining our entire ebook just from that small prompt. This allows you to create complete digital books from a single text prompt or rough content outline. The built-in AI assistant helps creators refine grammar, rewrite copy, and translate text into different languages. The reader-facing AI chatbot lets your audience chat with the Flipbook to get instant summaries and answers to their questions. So here we have our fully finished ebook that we got from a single prompt. And as we've seen, this is very interactive and it's just a lot smoother to use. So here is the front side, and we can see we've got the context page and all of the different pages just from that one prompt we put in. If you're ready to upgrade your content and stop sending dead documents, you can try out FlipHTML5 for free right now. Click the link in the description below to sign up and create your first interactive flipbook today. Let me know in the comments what kind of document you're going to convert first, and I'll see you in the next video.